Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Chi here with Epic 7 Guild Wars versus Mizfits. They've got a border. Everybody's getting into an early start this morning, I see, because Stronghold's already open, so 2 forts are down. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this stronghold immediately. I'm just copying Guildie's setups since we're short on time in the mornings usually, so seems straightforward. Cleaving with Ahmed on top. I'm assuming I should have a similar speed here, and then we're gonna go with Ilanov turn 2 setup at the bottom. The bottom one, let's see. There is a possibility we could use something like Benimaru, but there's probably some DPS checks that has to be done, and it's just too much trouble, so I'm just gonna go with this. Alright, let's go. Okay, I am faster. Let's go. Syria. We even got the crit damage buff. Everything should go smoothly. Okay. I just cheered on that arm. Okay, round 2. That hit our Ilna, which made it so that she does not do her S3 on the first turn. It's okay though. Okay, so normally we would do this here. Normally we would do this, but I think it's worthwhile to do the boost right now. I mean, we'll remove it here, but it's the first hit, nobody's died, it's not gonna hurt that much. I think we'll do this. Yeah, basically nothing happened. Okay. Got the crit damage buff. Let's see. We just go straight into killing a she's on proof, but then the injury will start reducing her damage and her threat. And her damage and threat is really the only one that matters here. Okay.
聞いた方が身のためだ。あの日の約束を証明してみせる。まだに何かを感じます。
Now I can try to see I could put some blind on here. I don't really care about like proccing a counter anymore because she doesn't do any damage.
ここでなすべきことをします。時が来た。貴様に受け止められるか。まだ俺からこれまでわらわを食い止められると思うな。私がいる限り大丈夫だ。はっ、褒めてやるか。はっ、このくらいなら。
Good, yes, counters. Not landing hits on Senya though.
まだ集中しろ。まだこのくらいなら。もう昔みたいに隠れたりはしません。やあ。
She got a melee. Okay. S3 is up, we're gonna use it, and then we're gonna start soul burning our S2 after. We got countered by A-Ravi, but that's fine because Ilnov scales off defense.
やるではないか。我らを阻んで貴様から潰してやろう。私を倒すことなど不可能だ。そこ。まだまだ。研究の成果をお見せします。
We're gonna offensively boost here.
積み重ねた研究の成果でみんなを守り抜いてみせます。私の後についてこい。
Let's see. He's almost dead. Let's just kill off Silius. There we go. And the Grey Hitman goes down. Okay, seems like all the forts got demolished. So we're gonna find some towers. Alright, let's see. Oh, what happened here? Okay, really? Wait a minute. Yeah, risky proposition here, because she could have Barrier and Aureus, and it would take 4 consecutive hits to kill her, which this team cannot do. And just as I was saying somebody else's team wouldn't work, I'm gonna be ending up using a team that also might not work. Alright, Ahmed. Syria on symbol. Caesar. So the issue with like this team here is if either of these have Storm Sword and are reasonably fast, they'll cut ahead of my Syria, and then I lose. But considering how fast their forts went down, I guess I'm underestimating that they will be that fast or that they would have that sort of setup. Another lose condition is if like the bombs simply don't land. That's just RNG nature of like effectiveness type of setups though. Let's see, for the top, we'll run this. Chances are, this fight's gonna be the last one that I'll have to show it before I have to go to work. And it's mostly because of the setup that I'm running. It's gonna take a while. Like this will win, it'll just take some time. This will be instant. I either win or lose. And we'll find out right at the beginning of it. So yeah, here we go. Let's get started then. That Zeo has quite a bit of effectiveness. And it's actually quite fast. Is this gonna kill my water? I don't think so. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, I'm full stacked. It's okay though, keep nice tanky. Although not ideal, because there will be 2 DPS on Kizuna, so it's not ideal that she's being right now. And this Senya is like almost dead. That's also not, yeah, that's not a good thing. Senya is dead, so I'm no longer gonna have free healing. But then my S3 is almost up, and the next one's gonna kill Zero. And the only one left is gonna be should be okay. I have to say that's some immensely paper Senya though. I've never had a Senya die like that. Good job, Kizun. Alright, choose the one left. So this is all to build souls. Oh, actually I had enough anyways, but let's soul burn it. See if I can finish it in this round. Yep. As long as she doesn't counter. Yep. Alright. Let's see. Storm Sword? No? Okay. There's a possibility of a Holy Sack too, but the Holy Sack would not be a guaranteed loss. There's bombs. The bombs landed all in the right places, and it's game over. Unless that's a holy sap. And it isn't. Booyah! Alright, that actually went more quickly than I thought. So we're going to be able to do a second hit, maybe, if I can find one quickly. Let's see. Round 2 is round 2 is gonna be a little bit of a risk for me, because this combination of those two is kind of dangerous. But round 1 should be easy, barring any surprises. Operator, cigarette, Syria. Does the speed work out for me? Let's see. There's a 14% difference. You give 18. Okay. It barely works out. Very small chance of a speed RNG because I'm within 4% of speed, so there's like a little bit of a chance, even if I do the second boost, that she goes first. But that's fine. Down here, let's see. I want you here. I want you here. And then you. So she'll definitely go here, but she could go on either. And if she goes here, there's a possibility of a reset. Which means if I run this, I should probably not run Fairy Tale. I should probably run Book, unless I use a different tank. If I use a different tank, it'll have to be Ross. Well, I could use Lilius. She'll definitely die though. And the whole point of Lilius would be to try to taunt here. She'll taunt there, may or may not land because of 85%. She's no, I would say 99.9% of the chance she will not have any effect resist, but there's still an 15% chance that she'll just resist anyways. And if she does resist, does that change anything for me? She's still gonna die to that. I'll have to use Aureus on her. In order to prevent these two from dying from her. $23,000 HP, 1.6k defense, 25, 17, so quite a bit more frail than the Ross. And I fully expect Ross to die if I use him. Let's just use Ross. If he dies, he dies. He'll be revived. As long as Arya goes, I think I win. Okay, let's go with this. Let's see, the only thing that can go wrong on round 1 is, again, if somehow she's faster with like Storm Sword, or if I RNG myself, small chance. And then another thing would be if this is on Elbrus, and if Elbrus procs from my Opsig killing Rem. It's not a guaranteed loss per se, because if my Caesarea goes before this, I'll still bomb her and she'll die. So, yeah, let's go with this. And let's see, artifact, okay, good. Alright, let's go. Okay.
私が守ります。私を信じてください。途切れていた未来は今再びつながりました。また無謀な戦いを始めるのです。ターゲットを確認、排除します。支援モードへ切り替えます。指定されたプロトコルを開始。
Oh, and of course bombs could be resisted, I suppose. That could happen. Yeah, see? Got resisted there. Let's put another one on here. 2 bombs, that should kill her instantly. Since bombs are not gonna be... damage is not offset. Aureus. There we go. So this is either really lucky on the resist for that that there, or for the FCC, or she's got a lot of effect resist. Okay, let's see what happens to me. Ross, okay, yep, you're dead. Actually, this could be really bad if he dies from this. Okay, that's good. Let's do that. Okay. I have to revive him. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Here... he's gonna die again, isn't he? I could heal him, but if I heal him, I'm gonna trigger a counter here. So I'm not actually sure whether it's gonna be net positive or negative. And do I need to... Do I need to get the extra attack? I wonder. Yeah, maybe I should have just brought T-Cross. T-Cross probably would not have died. Let's see. Let's go with this. I think it's a 100% chance that she will kill him if I do not heal. But if I do this, and if I get lucky and she does not dodge, he'll heal, have defense buff, and possibly not die. So I think I'll take that chance. Missed. Okay, counter. Still dead. Right here. Despite the defense buff. Right. Okay, can I actually survive this? That's the question. Okay. Let's go. I just need you to survive a few hits. Oh my god, that assist. I could lose off this. I need this to kill Kisei because of that assist. Because if it weren't for that assist, she could take a hit from Kisei, but not 2 hits in a row. That was a close one. Okay, and that is it for today's Guild Wars. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.